Good morning, a good official morning. It is another what I eat in a day video, and I am super excited because in this one, I'm actually gonna get to have some FaceTime and talk. I mean, I could have been the other ones too. I don't know what happened, but. So we are on our first official smoothie of the day. It is like 10 a.m. So this is way later than we usually drink our smoothie. But you know, the morning gets away from us. There's a lot going on in the morning. It's like the busiest time in our house with work and all kinds of stuff. So, oh no. You just gotta roll with it, you know? You just gotta roll with it. So right now we are in our office. And I actually hope that you can hear me because it is pouring down rain. Pouring down rain. So our plan was this morning we got up and we started our day early. We were gonna get the dogs out for a walk like we do every single day. And I was like, I think it's raining. And sure enough, it was raining. It was coming down. So all morning it's been really dark. And right now it is really coming down. I'll see if I can show you. I think I said that already. But it is really coming down, so there is no chance of getting these guys out for a walk. And we like to go early in the morning so that the concrete and the asphalt is comfortable on their paws, because already in the morning, like we leave the house, it's before 6:15 in the morning, and it's like mid to high 80s already. So, you know, we just try to be really conscious of their little paws, and we don't want them to be uncomfortable or to burn, so we try to go super early. But that did not happen today, so I guess we're gonna run some laps around the house today. I don't know. So I started my day with the honey lemon water, had my celery juice, did some things, and now we're on to our heavy metal detox. And I'm trying to grab all my supplements. Well, oh God, I dropped one. Just know that I have supplements that I need to take. See, here's some. So I'm gonna take my supplements and then we're gonna go on with our day. So it's a little while later, and I am having another batch of celery juice. So I'll split this one with B. We'll both have 16 ounces of this, but it is, we've tried doing 32 ounces each in the morning, and it's just a lot on top of 32 ounces of the lemon water. And then to top that with a smoothie. I don't know where the stomach capacity comes from. So we've decided to split it. So after we have like a couple hours after we have our smoothie in the morning, we will have our celery juice. So I'm hungry. I'm ready for some food. So after I drink this, I'll give it like 30-ish minutes or so, and then it's time for some lunch. But I'm hanging out in the kitchen right now. If you're wondering why this angle is so weird, it's because it is super dark in the house today. I don't have any of the lights set up for filming. So right now I'm in the kitchen next to an arrow garden. Let me show you. So I got one of these for Valentine's Day this year, and I loved it so much that we got 2 more. So this is one of the ones we have, and it is growing jalapenos. Can you see that? They're so cutie and they're delicious. So I have definitely harvested some of these guys. Oh, look at that. And on the other side, we have tomatoes. They're little cherry tomatoes. So this tomato side is definitely, she's living her best life. We have these little tomatoes over here, but she needs to be trimmed up. Like, she is all up under the cabinet. Like, she's doing things. She's doing things, but I need to trim her and harvest some tomatoes, clearly, because there's another guy back there. But it's really cool having this inside and being able to just pick these things. So yesterday I made something and just pulled jalapenos right off of here to throw in the dish. So very, very nice. I love it. It's finally lunchtime and I'm so excited. Like my stomach is growling. So yesterday I made some mashed potatoes for me and I made some chicken, ground chicken. Why couldn't I think of that? I made some ground chicken for B. So that's what we're gonna have today is some leftovers for lunch. And we're not gonna eat a ton because I do plan on cooking dinner. And I say that and then, you know, plans. So let me put this together so we can eat and I'll show you what we're having. My potatoes are nice and hot. I am ready. Mostly my stomach is ready. I'm starving. So we're about to eat. I have a new batch of my lemon honey water. Life is good. Life is good. Let's try our lunch. Cheers, babe. Oh, so delicious and so hot.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out the fights, to sort out the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. It's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought,